Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5079473, because of this error code, that is 0x800f0922 or 0x80240069. So the first step is to go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and over here you can see Pause Update option. Hit pause over here. Once it is paused, now you can click on Resume Updates and then you can check. Still not working? Type in Services in Windows search box, click on Services. Find app readiness in the list, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on background intelligent and then click on restart. And once this is done, now find scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart or start if highlighted. And once this is done, now you can go back to Windows settings, and if you see retry option, hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. You can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. Once the first scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window and then hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working? Then use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5079473, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. And in my case, it's version 25H2. Check your version and then open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option and check your system type. For me, system type is 64-bit operating system. And then over here, let me change the language over here. Now, for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download. And then click on KB5079473 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. You can install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working? Open Windows settings. Go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option over here. Scroll down at the bottom here. You can see Recovery option. Click on Recovery. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer, and then you can update your Windows and then check. Still not working? The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, and then click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.